out the thumbnail. Right, as you can see, I got a bowl of water to soak Faye, because we're going on a bike ride in a minute. And like, as you can see, there's bikes in here, and she'll be out in a second to get a bike. Okay, so while we wait for my sister to come and get a bike, yeah. Right, I'm just gonna like wait around here until she comes to get a bike. Okay, but okay. Right, we'll wait. Whoa. Whoa. Oh no, I spilled some water. Oh no, I'm losing my balance. Here she comes. I'm gonna kill you! Oh my god! Oh my god, Emily! Seriously! Oh my god!